الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن الكريم: ألم يأن للذين آمنوا أن تخشع قلوبهم لذكر الله وما نزل من الحق. صدق الله العظيم وبلغنا رسوله النبي الكريم. Kinds of signals that are sent by Allah Jalla wa Ala to humankind to remind them about Allah Jalla wa Ala. And this is another reminder in Surah Al-Hadid, in which Allah Jalla wa Ala says, has the time not come yet? Is it not time for the believers to humble their hearts and the zikr of Allah Jalla wa Ala, so that their hearts soften in the remembrance of Allah Jalla wa Ala? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alayhi wa sallam said, إِنَّ لِرَبِّكُمْ فِي أَيَّامِ دَهْرِكُمْ نَفَحَاتٍ فَتَعَرَّضُوا لَهَا لَعَلَّ أَحَدَكُمْ أَنْ يُصِيبَ مِنْهُ نَفَحًا لَا يَشْكَى بَعْدَهَا أَبَدًا. So there's a time period in every person's life in which Allah Jalla wa Ala sends breezes of mercy. Special breezes of mercy are sent from Allah Jalla wa Ala. And the beloved sallallahu alayhi wa alayhi wa sallam said, فَتَعَرَّضُوا لَهَا. When these breezes of mercy are sent to you from Allah Jalla wa Ala, فَتَعَرَّضُوا لَهَا. Expose yourself to them, present yourself to them, benefit from them, take advantage from them. These are special opportunities which the Prophet ﷺ mentions as the breezes of mercy sent to the people of Allah Jalla wa Ala. Special reminders in our lifetime when Allah Jalla wa Ala sends these gifts of mercy for the believers. فَتَعَرَّضُوا لَهَا. Take advantage of them. Expose yourself to them. Present yourselves to them. لَعَلَّ أَحَدُكُمْ أَنْ يُصِيبَهُ مِنْهُ نَفَحًا لَا يَشْكَى بَعْدَهَا أَبَدًا. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, perhaps one of you may be touched by these breezes of mercy which are sent by Allah Jalla wa Ala. And the benefit of that will be such that from that day onwards you will never be from those who are unfortunate. You will never be in a state of sin. You will never be in a bad, evil state, provided that you catch those signals sent by Allah Jalla wa Ala. Now these breezes of mercy, the different types, the greatest form of these breezes of mercy which is sent by Allah Jalla wa Ala is the month of Ramadan. This is that time period that comes to remind us every year that you have hope, you have a chance. A lot of people think, I'm just a lost cause, it's impossible for me. Many Ramadans have come in my life. I tried, I was motivated, I repented, I made tawbah, I said this is my best Ramadan, I will make sure I make tawbah and I will turn back to Allah Jalla wa Ala and I will never sin again. But many Ramadans have come, but they've gone. It's impossible. This is an impossibility for me to make tawbah and to maintain my tawbah. I make tawbah in the beginning, in the first 2-3 days of Ramadan, but then I cannot maintain my tawbah. But remember, brothers and sisters in Islam, miracles happen in the month of Ramadan. Impossible things become possible because of the month of Ramadan. Things beyond our imagination take place in the month of Ramadan. And as believers, as Muslims, we must always have hope. Ramadan is the month that gives us hope. If we are in that state of despair, this negativity, it's impossible for me, I cannot attain the nearness of Allah, I cannot smell the sweet fragrance of the ma'rifah of Allah, it's not for me, perhaps it's for other people. People talk about it, I've tried it many times. But in this hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the beloved of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has emphasized that there are breezes of mercy. You just have to catch them, you just have to be touched by them. They're blown at you, towards you. If you are touched by them, once you catch them, your life will change. And many miraculous things happen. Those disbelievers, those kuffar that no one had ever imagined that these people will become Muslims. It was the miracle of the month of Ramadan that they became Muslims. People consider them to be stone-hearted people, enemies of Islam. These people hate the Prophet ﷺ. They will never change. Many people approached them, gave them dawah, invited them towards Islam. Repent. Come to the court of Allah, come to the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They disrespected the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They insulted the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do you know what happened? Ramadan happened to them. It was the blessed month of Ramadan, and the breezes of mercy were sent to them from Allah Jalla wa Ala in the form of Ramadan. The entire life changed. Those people who were known as kuffar, because of Ramadan, they became the warriors of Islam. Miracles happen in the month of Ramadan as long as we do not have a satanic approach. Remember Iblis, the word Iblis itself, one of the meanings of Iblis, the word is ablasa, and the meaning of ablasa is to lose hope. It was Iblis, it was Satan who lost hope. It was Satan who persuaded himself that I'm evil, I can never change, nothing can happen to me, I can never be forgiven. And this is why our ulama say, this is a satanic attitude. If a human begins to think like this, there is no change, there is no hope for me, there is no possibility of me changing. No matter what happens, I can say in the company of the people of Allah, many Ramadans will come in my life, but nothing will happen. I can never change. To submit and to say that it's not for me, the message of Islam is not for me, this is a satanic attitude. This is not the attitude of believers. This is not the attitude of Muslims. As Muslims, we must always have hope. Yes, one day I will embrace the breeze of mercy that will come from Allah, that gift of mercy that will come from Allah. And this is why this blessed month of Ramadan is given to us. And fortunate are those people, blessed are those people who are alive in this blessed month of Ramadan.